What's up everybody, it's Ben here with Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2007 Honda Rebel 250. As you can see, it has been customized quite a bit. Gotta get that bobber look going on, and we're gonna look at this thing up close and personal. Here the back tire, you got plenty of tread there. Good to go for any kind of state inspection, a lot of miles left. As you can see, it is chain driven. There's chain coming back to the rear sprocket. Starting with the custom stuff right away, you got the custom license plate mount and the tail light and this custom rear fender. See, that is all very well done. The guy that built this, we actually met him. He does this to a lot of bikes. You can see the turn signals there, this little tiny turn signal, the LEDs. Got your adjustable rear suspension. As you can see, that seat is custom as well. So you can see all the mounts and everything. There you can see the Rebel there on the side cover. The guy did custom exhaust, so this is the one coming out on this side. There's a similar one coming out on the other side for the other cylinder. Got your rider peg, rear brake, all your motor stuff. You can see the carbs from this side. Jumping up to the tank. See that all the paint on there is really nice, including that Rebel logo. We also did custom grips up here on the handlebars. You can see the brake there, spinning around. There's your headlight. So you have your little turn signals up there. One of the things the guy said that he did was these Rebel headlights tend to have a rattle to them. He actually insulated it all in there so it doesn't have that rattle anymore. Got the fork tubes are in nice shape. I mean, it's still a pretty low miles bike. I think it has like 1,800 miles on it. So most of the things that are different from factory are custom. Not really a lot of wear. Jump over to the other side. Look at those fork tubes. Coming down here to your front brake. There's that. As you can see, that spoke front wheel. There's your front tire. I say it's about the same as the back tire. Plenty of life left on it. There's a custom grip on this side. Of course, there's your clutch. Jump down here to the tank. You can see that is all really nice. Going down through there. See the motor from this side. There's that. Of course, you have your rider peg, your shifter, your kickstand. There's that exhaust coming out on that side. There you go. This bike is carbureted, so you do have the fuel shut off. The choke is up on the handlebars. There's a side cover here. You can see the Rebel there. All that is really, really nice. You can see the chain coming out and the swing arm coming back here to the rear wheel. Again, there's that adjustable suspension. There's the rear sprocket and the rear spoke wheel from this side. You already saw that rear fender. Here's the seat from the top. Seat's in nice shape. You know, all the seams are good. Not any tears or rips or anything like that. And the top of the tank. I mean, if I had to be really picky, I would say there's some little, like, maybe light, like swirls. Almost like it was cleaned with something just a little bit too abrasively. Not any real gnarly marks. There's one right there, right at my fingertip that I want to point out. Everything else just coming right off. There is the fuel cap, obviously. Again, you can see these custom grips. There's controls. Of course, you have your choke there at my pointer finger. Have your mirrors up here and here. Your throttle controls there. With your gauges. 1,800 miles, 1,839 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. If you're interested in this bike, make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube. Let's fire it up. Alright, that is that. Let's make sure the turn signals work. Here in the front. There's that side in the front. And the other side. There's the back. And the other side in the back. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2007 Honda Rebel 250. It's been all customized out. A lot of really nice work on this bike. If you're interested in this motorcycle, check out the test drive on YouTube and check out the bike at srkcycles.com. Thanks for watching.